Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you another method you can use to bypass the curious card VPN detection issue. For those that don't have money to purchase cloud phone, because some people are using cloud phone, especially those who want to create new curious card account. So without wasting too much of your time, just follow what I'm about to show you here. For this method, you actually need two different devices. You need two different Android phones. As you can see in my front here, I have two different Android devices here. You can see we have the one by my left, which is the tab I'm using, and this other one, which is my phone. Now this is how it works. My small phone, this is my phone here. This is where my my Curious Cat account is. So let me enter my Curious Cat account and show you guys what I mean. You understand? So let's say, for example, now I want to log into my Curious Cat. I want to log into my Curious Cat account. So let me just connect to an IP. Let me connect to an IP. Alright, so you can see I'm connected to a proxy. I'm connected to a proxy, and let me say I want to access my Curious Cat account. Now you can see they said VPN detected. Alright, so this is what I want to teach you guys, how to bypass this without you having to follow the other process, because some people do have issue in terms of creating new account. So without wasting too much of time, you need two devices. As I said earlier, you need your device that you want to use for the Curious Cat, or the one you already have a Curious Cat account on. Then the second device, which is this one. Now this my tab. Now that's the big screen you are seeing here. Let it be my device A, and the one I want to use for the Curious Cat, let it be the device B. You understand? So I hope you guys can see it clearly. Let me increase the brightness. Now on your device A, which is the second device, the one you are not going to be using the Curious Cat account on, that is where you are going to set up your proxy. Now you set up your proxy and connect to it. Connect to your proxy on your device A. You can see I've connected. Now you need to go and check your location. Check your location as normal, as usual, the way you normally check it, to make sure that you are connected to UK or US, any country you are using the proxy on. So I want to check now if I'm connected to UK. ipscore.io. So as you can see, I'm trying to check my IP score to see if I'm actually connected to the UK. So it's loading. Alright, it's still loading. Let me refresh. I think the network is kind of bad. So let me refresh. It's not loading. So you need to let me go and check my proxy. So you can see it's loading. Alright. Now you can see that I am actually connected to what? United Kingdom here. I'm connected to United Kingdom. Look at the IP address, 92.40.173.187. Now let me now go back to my the main device I want to use for the Curious Cat account. Now check my IP score on this one, just to show you guys something. Let me refresh it. Now here you can see that my IP on the main device I want to use for the Curious Cat is showing what? Nigeria. You can see it. So now this is where the magic comes from. You come over to this device A, the one you used, the one you set up your proxy on. You go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store and download this particular app I'm about to show you guys. You search for VPN hotspots and proxy. You understand? You search for this VPN hotspot and proxy. This is it. This is how it looks like. This is how the app looks like. VPN hotspot and proxy. You download it. As you can see, I've already downloaded it. Now after downloading, you open it. Now make sure that your proxy is already activated on the device A. You understand? Now this is what is going to show you. You allow. So they will ask you to tap on setting and then off your battery saver if you have it on. So let me go and do that quickly. Alright. So I'll just go there. Permissions. Alright, I think let me go back. Enter battery. Under the battery now, you change it to unrestricted. Then once you have done that, you go back. Now you are now back to the app. Now you can see this app, there is a timer there. That means in the next 3 minutes it will stop. So for you to get more time, you click on this, click here to watch ads. So you have to watch the ads so that they will increase the time for you. So let me pause the video and allow the ad to finish loading. So after you finish watching the ad, you can now cancel. Now you can see now that it has been increased to 1 hour 16 minutes and some seconds. That means after 1 hour 16 minutes and some seconds, the app will stop until you come back and reactivate it again. Now once you open the app, you have done that, you click on this start proxy server. Now it's going to bring out IP address and a port. You can see the IP address here. Now you go to your device B. That's the device you want to use for your curious cat. Now on your device B, now you connect this device B to device A's hotspot. That means you are going to use your device A to hotspot device B, as you can see here. Now you enter there, you click on details, you go to where the Wi-Fi connection is. You can see I'm connected to the hotspot of this particular device A. Now you will see a settings icon beside the Wi-Fi you are connected to. You click on it. Now once you click on it, you can see we have view more under. You click on the view more. You see where the IP proxy, you click it. Then you click on manual. Now once you click on manual, you now copy this IP address for the device A and the port only. So I'm going to input it on my device B. 192.168.105.106. Then you input the port, which is 8080. Then you click on save. Now once you have saved it, once you are done saving, you now minimize. Now you go back to your browser. Now let's check. Let me refresh the page. You can see that I'm not connected to any proxy on this device B. I've already off it. Now you can see now that I am now connected to United Kingdom, and you can see there is no any sign of me connected to any proxy here. You can see it here, but my browser now is now showing what? United Kingdom here. If I go back to this device A and check, you can see that we're having the same IP address. The same IP address I have here is the same thing I'm having on my device B. That means you are connected successfully. Now you minimize and go to your Curious Cat app now. Open it. Once you open your Curious Cat app, you can see that I'm not doing on and off. I'm not offing my data. And you can see my Curious Cat account has opened successfully without any VPN detection. So for those who want to open an account on Curious Cat, you can use the same method. The only thing is that you need 2 devices. Now this device A now will be the host for the proxy, and then your device B, you use it to work. As you can see, there is no any issue, and if you click on any survey, it will go through. Now let's say you are done with it and you want to disconnect your Wi-Fi so that it will not be showing. It's not going to be showing the same location here. Just go back to your Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi you are connected to. You go to the same Wi-Fi settings. Now click on the settings close to the icon. Then you click on view more. Then you click on proxy. Then you click on none. Once you click on none, that means you are not disconnected yourself from this device A. So that's simply how this method works. If you don't if you don't have money for cloud phone, this is the best option for you if you have two devices. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please kindly share, subscribe, and also don't forget to comment. Please, see you on another video. Thank you.